Hi, fourth grade, it's me, Miss Belts. We are going to continue working on rounding to the nearest 1,000 and 10,000. So before we get started, make sure you have a sharpened pencil and that you have your paper that is turned to Thursday. If you have all of that, we are going to go ahead and get started. So the first number we're going to look at is 25,814, and we're going to round it to the nearest 1,000. So the first thing I'm going to do is decide where my thousands place is, and it is right here where the 5 is at. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my number line and label my number line. So there's my number line, and I'm going to put my tick marks that are showing where I'm starting and stopping for this number line. And I am going to say 25,814 for my first spot for my 1,000 is going to be 25,000 over here. And if I count by thousands, if this is 25,000, that means this is 26,000. And just like we always do, we're going to put our midpoint, which is going to be somewhere around here, which is going to be 25,500. Now I have to decide where 25,814 is going to go. And I have to look at it and see. So is 25,814 greater than 25,000? Yes, so I'm going to keep going. Is it greater than 25,500? Yes, so I'm going to keep going. Is it greater than 26,000? No, so I know my answer is going to be somewhere in this side of the number line. So I'm going to try to decide where it's going to go. So 25,814 is going to go somewhere over here, and I'm going to label it with my red dot, and I'm going to also label it with its number of 25,814. And then I have to decide, is 25,814 closer to 25,000, or is it closer to 26,000? That's right, it's closer to 26,000, so I'm going to draw a line to it. And I'm going to circle 26,000 so I do not forget. And then I'm going to fill in my sentence stem. So 25,814 rounded to the nearest 1,000 is, and we just circled it and said 26,000, so I'm going to write 26,000. Make sure you have all of this work shown on your paper before moving to the next problem. Here is our next one. So we're using the same number, 25,814, but instead of rounding it to the nearest 10,000, we're going to round it to the nearest 1,000, we're going to round it to the nearest 10,000. So I have to decide where my 10,000s place is at, and it's right here where the 2 is at, which means that I have two 10,000s. So if I have two 10,000s, I have 10,000, 20,000. So that's going to help me with my number line. So I have my number line drawn, and I have my starting and ending point of this section of the number line. And we just said if I have two 10,000s, that means I have 20,000. So that's going to go on this side. And if I count by 10,000s, this is 20,000, which makes this 30,000. And I'm going to go ahead and put my midway point, and that's going to be 25,000. Now I have to decide where 25,814 is going to go. So if I'm looking at my number line, I know that 25,814 is going to go pretty close to 25,000. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right here, and I'm going to label it 25,814. Then I have to decide, is 25,814 closer to 20,000, or is it closer to 30,000? That's right, it's closer to 30,000. Just by a little bit, but it's still closer to 30,000. So I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to circle 30,000. And then I'm going to fill in my sentence stem of 25,814 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 30,000, and I'm going to write that down. Make sure you have all of this work shown on your paper. After you've shown all of your work for this question and the other questions that you have to do on your own, make sure you go back to your Google forum and answer all the questions in there. Make sure you hit submit. Keep working hard, and I'll see you tomorrow.